Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can put how you can lock your phones behind a pattern. Okay, so it's pretty easy. I'm going to show how you can do it, but I cannot show you like 100% of it, but I will show you like most of it because the screen recording will stop. So how you can do it is that first of all, we're going to discover something called the secure folder. If you go into settings, and then you go down until something called security and privacy, and then you scroll down a little bit until something called secure folder. You're going to click on it. Then once you click on it, you're going to set up a pattern for your secure folder, and then you're going to go in for the settings of the secure folder and then set it up. Okay, now once you set it up, you're going to basically let me say that I want to hide the Jawline app. Okay, so if I want to hide the Jawline app, I am going to go onto the secure folder, okay? And from the secure folder, you're going to find a plus icon. You're going to click on the plus icon and you're going to use the Jawline. You're going to click on Jawline. And once I click on Jawline, it's going to be added to the secure folder, but it is still going to be shown here. So I can hide it is that I'm going to click on settings. And then from settings, we're going to go onto a home screen. From home screen, hide apps on home screen and app screen. You're going to scroll down or search until you find Jawline. And I'm going to click on done. And now the only way you can access the Jawline app is through the secure folder. And actually, there's one more way to actually hide the secure folder. If you navigate down and you go right to the right, and another time there, and you click on the secure folder, the application is going to completely disappear. If you want it back, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on secure folder. Now the secure folder appears. You're going to put your pattern and you're going to find the Jawline app inside. So yeah guys, this is basically how you can put your any app, and of course this goes on for any application. So yeah guys, this is basically how you can lock your app. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.